And I've been waiting to unbox that for you guys, so now I can light them up. Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Good to see you. I am here today with a Louis Vuitton home unboxing and also another unboxing of a CEO gift that I received, complete surprise, from my favorite store. So I was going to unbox that for you guys as well. That's also a home item. And I have not opened this yet. I've never tried these before. I have been super curious about them. I love scents. And of course, I love Jo Malone. So I buy the large Jo Malone candles, and then I realize, well, for the price that I spend on those, I might want to try some of these out. So when I was there this weekend, we did a shopping trip for my son. He turned 15. So our personal shopper, hi Courtney Chadwick, made an appointment with her to assist us with getting him some new clothes because that's what he wanted for his birthday. And so what they want, what they get, especially when they're teenagers, because they really don't do big asks. With my son, he has scoliosis, so he's now wearing a full brace up here. And he's not ashamed, he's not embarrassed. He'll wear a t-shirt underneath and wear the brace on top. I know I'm getting off topic, but I wanted to get him some clothes, and now that he's 15, he's kind of in that man size now, so we wanted to get things fit, and if he wanted to wear something over his brace, he would also have the option. So that's why the whole fam went. What I didn't expect was my husband and my daughter to basically bust out and start getting into the racks as well. So it was kind of crazy, and we also had Sabby with us, so it was a fun day. Courtney's a great personal salesperson for Bloomingdales, and I only picked one blouse, and everything was on sale. But I did stop in to see my SA, and oh yeah, that's another thing. Guess what I did? I know everybody says that people on YouTube buy things and do a video and unbox them and picture them and return them. Well, guess what? I bought something. I didn't unbox it. I didn't take a photo of it. I didn't unbox it on YouTube. I opened it, realized this is not gonna work. So I returned it. Real simple. So yes, not all YouTubers do that. I am not one of those YouTubers that does that. What I unboxed is what I bought, and I bought it to you. So no, I didn't even share that with you guys. So I had to put that in there because I'm seeing a lot of that lately. But I stopped in and I said, hey, I want to try these out. We had talked about them before. I was going to buy a full size, and she said I have one set of the 3 smaller ones that you can try out. That way you can decide which larger one you want to buy in the future. So I got their last set, the Le Parfum Louis Vuitton collection miniature perfumed candles. Candle fans. She's right here, by the way, if you want to see her. Say hey, babe. These are pretty. So here they are. Oh my God, that smells so good. Oh my goodness. These smell good. There you go. This is the size. So each one of these small ones burns for about 15 hours. So that should give me enough of an idea of which one I really like and want to get the bigger one for. And these also, honestly, would make a great gift for somebody. They smell amazing, y'all. This is the top with the LV stamp on it. Okay, so the first part of my Bloomingdale's gift, I will tell you, I talk about that store obsessively, but I have shopped there since I was a child. They have a great loyalist program. No, this video is not sponsored by them. I do not get anything for talking about them. I am just sharing with you like I share with girlfriends. I love Bloomingdale's. Everything that I buy there, I earn points. Or money, you should say. And you can use that money on your luxury items. So if I earn $200-300, I can take that off of Chanel or off of Louis Vuitton, the boutiques that are in their stores. And that's any of their stores, which is how I was able to buy from 59th Street in New York. So my loafers that I'm loving, I took $300 off of those because that was from other things that I had bought. Things for my house, things for my family. They all get their clothes there. Whatever I earn, I can use that on those. Now I'm in a program, and that's a free program. Anybody who buys from Bloomingdale's can become a loyalist. I'm what they call a top of the list. So that's because I spend a certain amount each year. Or I should say I exceed a certain amount each year. So I become top of the list. So then that gives you days where you can triple your points when you're shopping. So if I go buy, something really expensive, I can say, hey, today I want to triple my points. So then that actually helps get me more money in my account for spending on something else. And so it's not bad being top of the list. You get first in line on customer service. If you ever have to make a phone call, you don't have to wait in the phone queue very long. You get gifts. You get chances to multiply your points during the year. And so it's a really cool program. And I like companies and stores that make your money work for you and also reward really good, loyalty. This item I have gotten before, and I think they're just beautiful. But they're made by Kim Seibert. And again, this is, a home-centered decor gift. And they are, you can use these as your napkins or whatever you want to use them for the dining table or whatever. I'll take one out and show them to you. Very well made. They're about that size, which means I can get even more creative with what I want to do with those. So I got a pretty good set that it seems to be there's about 10 or 12 in this box. This is the larger box. Kim Seibert, and it says thank you. Thank you for being a top customer. I have a letter in here from the chairman and CEO, Tony Springs. On behalf of the entire Bloomingdale's family, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you for being one of our most loyal loyalists. As a token of our appreciation, please enjoy the custom set of napkin rings made exclusively for you by artist Kim Seibert. The designer adorned each ring with a stunning feathered hummingbird, a symbol of fortune and friendship, to grace the table as you and your loved ones gather for memorable meals this season. I hope the meals are many, and I wish you and your family a happy and healthy holiday. Best, Tony Springs. So it's from him. And I actually got to meet Tony last year right before lockdown, the last event that I did, which I do have a video on here, but you don't see me meeting him on the video, but it was the opening of a local Bloomingdale's, a new one, and my friend grabbed me and said, you need to meet Tony. And I wasn't prepared. I didn't have a camera ready or anything like that, but yes, I did meet Tony, and he was a great guy. Oh, they're gorgeous. I will I love the colors. These are the napkin rings that I got from Bloomies to go with the napkins, and that was just a gift for my loyalty of being a customer, because they certainly got a lot of my money during lockdown. I will see you guys soon in my next video. Please comment and subscribe and hit notifications so that you know when I have posted a new video. I will see you guys soon. Bye.